Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been active at all on my YouTube, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't really show my face, but I don't know, trying something different. But even though I've been missing, I do have some stuff in store for y'all. Okay, so first off, I got my favorite BMW wheels of all time, bro. The 66M wheels, bro. I got a good deal. One of my homies was selling them. He gave me a great deal on these, and I had to get them. Like, these are my favorite wheels of all time. Like, they are just so beautiful to me. I know they probably hard to keep clean or whatever. I don't care. In their 20s, so they probably ride like trash. I don't care. I love these wheels. They do have some curb rash and things like that I need to fix, but that's fine because the plan on these is to chrome these. So they need to be like sanded down and all that anyways. So it's fine. I know I need to put some work in. Okay, secondly, the wrap has been doing pretty well. I really love this color. Like, I'm not taking the wrap off. But if y'all did see my wrap video, I did mess up on like the front bumper here and here. Like it's messed up there. And then also on the rear bumper, it's the worst part. I got so frustrated, I just cut it and just put a piece over the top. And there's like smaller things that I need to fix, but I also have extra wrap here. So I will be fixing that next weekend. But this weekend, from the title and thumbnail, as y'all can see, we have new headlights. So the reason why I got new headlights, well, for one, the top of the headlights are like foggy, and you know, these are the pre-LCI headlights. They are the adaptive headlights and all that, but they still the older looking ones. And I really, really do love how the LCI headlights look. Like, they are so clean, bro. Like, just look at them. Okay, so these headlights also are from Alibaba. I don't care. They're cheaper, they look good. I'm not paying $2,000-$3,000 for a pair of headlights. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna do it. But they look good to me, and also they do have the function to where if I flash my headlights 5 times, they switch over to yellow DRLs. So it also gives me the option to have white or yellow. I feel like I'm gonna rock the white a lot more than the yellow. But yeah, I just really wanted some headlights, and I seen a good deal on them. I only paid $500 for 2, so it's like, I'm gonna do it. I don't care. Like, everybody talk about, oh, Alibaba, they fake, bro. Who cares? Who's finna be spending $2,000-$3,000 for some headlights? Not me. But first thing we need to do, jack the car up on both sides, and then we need to remove the front bumper, and then we need to start like removing all the bolts and stuff from the fender liner. Also, I do that big box right there on the top. I messed up this fender liner on this side, so I will be replacing this fender liner. And I got some mesh grill, because I don't know if y'all know, but I be messing up my front heat exchanger a lot, so I got some mesh grill to put behind the front bumper. So we're gonna do all that today. Also, when you are taking the front bumper off, just make sure you have like your fog lights and your sensors. Like, it's like 3 sensors that I had to unplug here. But yeah, now there's these 2 bolts here to hold the headlight in, and I believe there's 2 more on the back side. We about to figure that out real quick. All right, chat. So I'm getting a little frustrated right now. I got every bolt off on both sides except for this one bolt right here. I don't know what's going on, but like, it's just spinning freely whenever I try to get it out. And it's really pissing me off, not gonna lie. But I'm about to go do some research real quick, and I don't know, I might just restart back in the morning, because in the morning all I gotta do is just get this one last bolt out and put the new ones in. So yeah, let me take a break, look up some stuff, and see what's going on. I was really struggling to get the headlight, but as you can see, it is out. Now, what I did do, I was trying to get the bolt out, and I did what any reasonable person would do. I broke it. So this is still the bolt. The bolt would not come out. I just broke it, bro. I just said, fuck it, and I broke it. So I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. But what I'm about to do is compare the headlights and plug it in to make sure that the headlights work. So let's do that. Real quick, little ASMR on the headlight, hold on. Man, these headlights look good, bro. I can't wait to put them in. Just a little side-by-side comparison. As you can see, this is the old one, and then these are the new ones. It's just like a 75% circle, and then these are the full like halogen. These are gonna look good, bro. Let me plug them in real quick. Okay, headlight is plugged in. Let's see if it works. Oh my God, bro. These look amazing. Like, I'm not even, bro. Oh my goodness, hold on. Let me do the headlight thing, let's see. So for some, I don't know if it's because the car isn't on or something, but it's not switching to the yellow DRLs. I don't know what's going on. As you can see, bro, hold on, let me turn. Okay, so I still haven't removed the bolt back here, but what I did do, I broke this side too. That's the old headlight, this is the new headlight. So the issue I'm having with this side is the connector to the headlight is kind of short. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But I have both headlights in. But I'm a little tired, so I'm about to go in the house and go to sleep. I'm gonna finish this up in the morning. So tomorrow we need to figure out how to get those bolts out on both sides and how to extend the connector. That way it'll plug in on this side. Maybe it'll plug in after I move that bolt out. I didn't have that problem with this side though. I don't know. We'll figure that out tomorrow. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, so we in the same position as we was last night. The problem, I have the headlights in. Like as you can see, this one isn't plugged in. It was working last night. But the headlights work and they look amazing. The problem is there's one last bolt here. And this is where we mount the headlight at. So I have a homie on the way, he's coming through. We just gonna cut that bolt right there. Like, that's the only option, really. We just gonna cut the bolt and then put the headlights in. So I'm waiting on him to get here. Once he get here, we'll be able to finally fit the headlights all the way in. All right, chat. So the homie came through, he helped me remove the bolt. We got the headlights seated properly. Shout out to Ryan, bro. Ryan, if you're watching this, you are an absolute lifesaver, bro. I appreciate you. The last step I need to do now is putting this liner behind my bottom grill of my bumper to protect my front heat exchanger because I'm tired of rocks hitting it and breaking my front heat exchanger. So I'm about to put this on, and then once we put this on, I'm just really putting the car back together from there, and then we'll go and get some beauty shots of the car. So I'm extremely happy with the outcome. I'm probably gonna rock the white more than the yellow, but I'm happy that I do have the yellow as an option. Just a few more updates. So I did end up getting that fender liner replaced. I put the new one in, so no more little vibrations when I drive. I did end up putting that mesh behind this bottom grill. I don't know how good y'all can see, but you can see the mesh. I put the mesh behind the bottom grill. What's next? Honestly, what's next is the wrap. So as y'all see, the wrap is not 100%. That should be done next weekend, and I will record that. So both of the fronts and then the rear bumper. Well, I'm gonna do the whole rear bumper all over again. Then after that, hopefully I can get these wheels done and chromed before the Smuzu meet at the end of March. So that's in like 2 weeks. We're gonna see, because the chroming is like very tedious. So we'll see. But yeah, man, I'm super happy with the outcome of the headlights. If you like them, I will leave a link to the description. They are from Alibaba. I'm not spending $3K for no headlights, so $500 is a steal. So if you want them, they're in the description below. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video here. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up. But yeah, that's gonna be it. You guys have a good one. Peace out.